This video shows you how to fill the ink tanks on your printer during initial printer setup. Before you begin, unpack your printer, place it on a level surface, and plug it in as shown on the Start Here sheet. Also, be sure to review the notes, cautions, and warnings on the Start Here sheet. Lift the scanner unit and open the ink tank cover. Open the ink tank cap for the black ink tank. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. The top of each ink bottle is designed to fit into the ink tank slot of the same color. Insert the bottle into the slot. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink flows into the tank and stops automatically when the ink is just below the upper line. If ink does not flow from the bottle, lift and reinsert the bottle. When ink stops flowing, remove the bottle, securely close it with the cap, and set the bottle aside for later use. Then, close the ink tank cap. Repeat this process for the other colors. When you are finished filling the ink tanks, close the ink tank cover and lower the scanner unit. Then raise the control panel and turn on the printer. Select your language. When you see this screen, press and hold the Help button for 5 seconds. When this screen appears, press Start to start charging the ink. Do not turn off the printer, lift the scanner unit, or load paper while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. A message appears on the screen when ink charging is finished. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality. When you are finished adjusting the print quality, follow the rest of the instructions on the Start Here sheet to continue setting up your printer. Occasionally, check the ink levels as you use your printer. If the ink level in any tank is at or below the lowest mark, refill the tank. Do not let ink levels reach the bottom of the tanks or you may damage your printer.